1. We have one mighty dragon, Draco, guarding the mountain.
Greetings, adventurers. Good luck on your counting quest.
1, 2. Look, over there. We have 2 sparkling unicorns dancing among the rainbows.
May your journey be as bright as our rainbows.
1, 2, 3. Beneath the waves, there are 3 lovely mermaids singing their enchanting songs.
Swim through life with joy and grace.
1, 2, 3, 4. Amidst the mushrooms, 4 forest fairies are flying around, sprinkling magic dust.
With every flutter of our wings, magic unfolds.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inside this ancient tree, 5 wise wizards are harnessing the ancient magic.
Through wisdom, wonders are woven.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. In this cozy cottage, 6 wily witches are concocting magical potions.
A pinch of this, a dash of that, and let the magic begin.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. In Elf Town, 7 valiant elves are practicing their archery skills.
Our arrows fly straight and true, as should your goals.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Oh.
Inside this haunted mansion, 8 friendly ghosts are floating around.
Even in the shadows, there is light and laughter.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Inside this lively cave, 9 mischievous devils are playing tricks and having fun.
Keep your spirits high and dare to be daring.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Finally, high above the clouds, 10 guardian angels are watching over the enchanted forest.
May your journey be blessed with love and kindness.
Cat. Can you count the cats? 1. 1 cat. Cats can make over 100 different sounds. Horse. Can you count the horses? 1, 2. 2 horses. Horses can sleep standing up. Lion. Can you count the lions? 1, 2, 3. 3 lions. A lion's roar can be heard up to 5 miles away. Lioness. Can you count the lionesses? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 lionesses. Lionesses do most of the hunting for their pride. Giraffe. Can you count the giraffes? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 giraffes. Giraffes have the same number of neck bones as humans, 7. Flamingo. Can you count the flamingos? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 flamingos. Flamingos are pink because they eat shrimp and algae. Chick. Can you count the chicks? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 chicks. Baby chickens, called chicks, can walk as soon as they hatch. Pig. Can you count the pigs? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 pigs. Pigs are very smart and can learn tricks like dogs. Duck. Can you count the ducks? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 ducks. Ducks have waterproof feathers and stay dry in the water. Seagull. Can you count the seagulls? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 seagulls. Seagulls can drink both fresh and salt water. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe Toddler University on YouTube.